Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Edge version 148 has rolled out late yesterday in my region on the 7th of May. So to check we have this latest version upgrade, we head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. Latest version in build 148.0.3967.54. Now, before we have a look at what's new, just to focus on the security patches that have rolled out. For the Chromium open source project, which the browser is based on, we get, as I have posted in previous videos, we get 127 security fixes rolling out, which is a bunch of security patches. And although there aren't any 0 days exploited in the wild, we do get 3 critical, which is your highest rated vulnerability. And those are listed as Integer Overflow in Blink, Use After Free in Mobile, and Use After Free in Chromo Ting. So 127 security fixes. So an important security update running out for the Chromium-based web browsers for this week. And then over and above those security patches, we get 3 Edge-specific security fixes rolling out for Edge itself. So quite a lot going on in the security side of things with this update. Now, just to go through a couple of things that are new in Edge version 148. First of all, if we head here to the settings left-hand navigation pane, there used to be in this area here a feature called AI Innovations. And Microsoft says now it's updated the AI settings page, where settings for Copilot features are now housed under one AI settings page to create a cohesive setting experience, according to Microsoft. So you'll notice now we've got at the top here Copilot and AI. So AI Innovations has been removed. We get Copilot and AI. And if we click on that, as Microsoft says, it pops everything to do with Copilot features on one page, which I do actually think makes more sense. And then while we are on this page, if we toggle on Copilot New Tab page, Microsoft says that you can now search, chat, and explore the web from one search box with Copilot suggested actions and curated work content to help you get things done faster on the new refreshed Copilot New Tab page, which is this page. Now, Microsoft's saying this is a refreshed page, but I think the only difference when it comes to the visual aspect is you've now got an image for the background where previously this was the floral look, a more Copilot floral looking wallpaper background. And now it looks like this is going to be changing on a daily basis. And while we are on this Copilot New Tab page, if we head to our settings, customize page, we've now got cursor focus, where your cursor focus can be on the search box or the address bar. You've got the 2 choices. Search box is the default. And then I'm just going to mention the next because Microsoft says that it's on a controlled rollout, and I'm not seeing it yet, where there is now enhanced autofill. So for desktop users, Microsoft says Edge can now autofill additional document types, including passports, driver's licenses, and other specialized forms on top of your saved address. Just take note, as mentioned, this is on a controlled feature rollout. So if you don't see this feature, Microsoft says check back as we continue the rollout. Now that's according to the changelog. That's what I thought you may be interested in. There is some other changes and improvements taking place for enterprise environments. But something else I've also noticed, and I actually posted on this just yesterday, is if we head to the sidebar, as I've posted previously, Microsoft says that the sidebar app list is being retired. Now Microsoft has said, starting with Edge 149, the sidebar app list will be retired. So they've given us a specific timeline now. So with the next version upgrade, 149, the sidebar app list is going to be no more. And I actually posted on this just yesterday. And we have been talking about the deprecation of the sidebar over the last couple of weeks. So in about 3 to 4 weeks' time, when the next version rolls out, this will be no more. So just bringing that to your attention. So guys, that's more or less what's new in Edge version 148. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.